You are witnessing the ravenous Stephen Brown in his natural element destroying the meatball thing of pain, which is pictured earlier on the camera. We'll wait till he finishes chewing, then ask him how he feels.
Steve, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Wait.
Look at the camera and wave. Hi, Mom.
Chewing.
Just gonna look up. No, sir, I don't like it.
That was a lot of cheese for one man to devour. I mean, seriously.
I don't think he can hold it down. Steve. You got this? You're hardcore.
That was amusing. That really was.
That was good. That was 3 full gulps.
So, how do you feel?
Dude, leave the white powder around your nose.
Always
Just
good.
be like, hey, wait till like a cop pulls you over.
There's a little bit of white powder on your nose right there. You been doing anything illegal, sir?
Have you been blowing any cocaine?
I've been devouring cheese.
The judgment day, the sun is shining, come on, get happy. The Lord is waiting to take your hand. Shout hallelujah, come on, get happy. We're going to the promised land. We're heading across the river.